In this tutorial, I am going to discuss how to calculate the quantity of cement and sand for any plastering work. This is undoubtedly useful to engineers, plus it will help those who are busy with plastering work or intend to plaster the walls of their homes, offices and other buildings. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to estimate the quantity of cement and sand required. This will definitely help you in saving some bucks by being exact and precise about the construction requirements and quantities of materials used. So please watch this tutorial till the end. Calculating the requisite quantity of cement and sand for plastering walls, ceilings and floors is not a tough job. All you want to do is sit back, take a notebook, pen and calculator. Now let me tell you how to do it. Before proceeding further, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. It should be noted that for wall plaster, the ratio of cement to sand generally used is 1:6. That is, 1 pot of cement is mixed with 6 pots of sand. For roof plaster, the ratio used is 1:4. And the thickness of plaster lies somewhere between 12 mm and 15 mm. Let's quote an example in order to illustrate the method of calculating the quantity of materials required for plastering work. Suppose we need to plaster a wall of area 300 square feet. The ratio for wall plaster is taken as 1:6. Total ratio will be 1 plus 6 equal to 7. And let's use the thickness of plaster as 13 mm. We have the given data as area of wall equal to 300 square feet. Ratio of cement to sand is 1:6. Total ratio will be 7. Thickness of plaster will be 13 mm. And by multiplying it with 0.003, we will get the thickness of plaster equal to 0.042 feet. To calculate the quantity of cement and sand, we need to calculate first the total volume of plaster, that is, volume of cement mortar. Total volume will be equal to area of wall into thickness of plaster. While area of wall is 300 square feet and thickness of plaster is 0.042 feet. So we will get the total volume equal to 12.6 cubic feet. This total volume is the wet volume of plaster. So we need to convert this wet volume to dry volume by multiplying the wet volume to a constant 1.35. So dry volume will be equal to wet volume into 1.35. Hence dry volume will be equal to 17 cubic feet. Volume of cement will be equal to ratio of cement divided by total ratio into dry volume. While ratio of cement is 1 and total ratio is 7, and on substituting these values, we will get volume of cement equal to 2.42 cubic feet. Number of cement bags required is equal to volume of cement divided by volume of 1 bag of cement. While volume of 1 bag of cement is 1.25 cubic feet, and on substituting these values, we will get the number of required cement bags equal to 2.42 divided by 1.25 equal to 1.94, which is similar to 2 bags. Volume of sand is calculated by using the formula. Volume of sand is equal to ratio of sand divided by total ratio into dry volume. While ratio of sand is 6, total ratio is 7. So on substituting these values, we will get volume of sand equal to 14.57, which is similar to 15 cubic feet. So this was all for today. We'll catch you up soon. Thank you.